Hello and welcome to the 7th video of CMD series. In this video, we are going to continue with directory management command. So far, I have covered part 1 and part 2. If you haven't watched those videos yet, click on the I button or check out the description below. Today, we are going to dive into part 3 where we will explore command for creating and deleting directories. So let's get started. Under this section, we are going to cover two key commands. First, make directory, that is mkdir, which is used to create directories or folder. Second is remove directory, that is rmdir, which is used to delete the directories or folder. So let us start with the directory creation using mkdir in detail. Here we are going to explore directory creation in three scenarios. In first scenario, suppose if you want to create a single directory or folder, then you are going to write mkdir followed by the folder name. In second scenario, suppose if you want to create multiple directories or folders simultaneously. For this, you are going to use mkdir followed by the folder's name which you want to create. In third scenario, suppose if you want to create a parent directory along with its child directory. For this, you are going to use mkdir parent and then child directory name. So to get more clarity on this concept, let us open the CMD window and execute all this command one by one. Hope guys you have opened your CMD window. If not, press Window plus R, type CMD and hit enter. It will give you a CMD window with default directory. But before starting demonstrating each individual command, I am just going to change my default directory to the desired directory where my project is stored. For that, I am just writing change directory OneDrive followed by the desktop and the folder name is ML project. Hit enter. So by this way I have changed my default directory to the project directory. Now I'm just going to execute one by one. So first scenario, let us execute. So for that, write mkdir followed by the folder name. So here I'm just considering folder name as a folder one and hit enter and let's see in GUI. So by this way it has created one folder. Now let us execute our second scenario. That is, we are going to create multiple folders simultaneously. So for that I'm writing mkdir followed by the folder name. Here I'm just going to create two folders by the name of folder 2, and folder 3. Hit enter and see whether it is created or not. So you can see both folder got created. You can create any number of folder. Now let us execute third scenario where we are going to create parent child type of folder. So for that I'm just writing mkdir and here I'm giving parents folder name as a folder 4 and child folder I'm keeping as a child. So let us hit enter and see. So you can see folder 4 is created. Now let us go inside and check whether the folder by the name of child got created or not. So you can see here the child folder got created. So hope you have got an idea how the directory creation command works. Now let us move to another set of command for deleting the directories. Here we are going to explore directory deletion in detail using rmdir command. We will cover two cases. In first case, deleting an empty directory, that is a directory that has no files or subdirectory. In second case, deleting a non-empty directory, that is a directory or folder that contain files and subdirectory. So let's open the CMD window and dive into each case to get more clarity. So I have opened my CMD window. Along with this, I have opened my ML project directory where we have recently created few folders. In case of folder 1, we do not have any subdirectory or folder inside this one. But in case of folder 4, I am having one subdirectory and one files. So to demonstrate the first case, that is rmdir followed by folder name to delete in empty folder. So for that, just write rmdir and folder name. So here it is folder 1. Since it is empty folder, then it will delete this folder. You can see it got deleted. But if I am going to run the rmdir followed by the folder name which is not empty, in this case the folder 4, if I am going to run, it will throw error. Let us hit enter and see. So you can see that it is telling that directory is not empty. So now to delete such folder, our second case will come into picture, where we are going to create a non-empty directory or folder. So for that, just write rmdir /s and folder name. Here it is folder 4. So let us hit enter and see. Now it is asking our confirmation whether you want to delete or not. So for this case, I am going to delete. So I am just writing yes. So you can see now it got deleted. Now, in case if you want to bypass this confirmation, you can do this one also by writing rmdir /s/q and followed by the folder name. So I'm just writing folder 5. Here I'm just creating one folder, new folder by the name of folder 5. Inside this, I'm putting one another folder subdirectory. So something folder F1. So now let us see whether it will get deleted without confirmation or not. Hit enter and see. You can let me refresh. Now it is telling that it got deleted. So you can see how the directory deletion work, and with this we have completed our part 3. In next video we are going to cover part 4, where we are going to see attribute related commands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such insight. Thank you for watching.